All right, let's talk about how to look up the last value in a column or row within Excel. Essentially getting the value of the last cell in a column or row. So here we just have some basic sales data. The date, region, salesperson, the product they sold, how many units, and the total revenue. And so we want to know the last sale in terms of revenue. So we want to know essentially how much the last sale was, which would be $120. This can be helpful when you're creating a dashboard or wanting to add this formula into another formula to create some sort of lookup function. And this formula that we're going to create is dynamic, so no matter how many rows or columns you add, it's always going to display the last value shown. And before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you really want. Thank you so much, and let's show you the formula. So in this cell, what we're going to do is type equals, and we're going to use the lookup function. The lookup value in this case is going to be 2, and then we'll hit comma, and our lookup vector is going to be 1 divided by parenthesis, select the entire column that you're wanting the last item to be displayed from, and then we're going to hit greater than and less than and a double quote ended by a parenthesis. Now basically what this is going to do is find the last empty cell in this entire column. Then what we'll do is hit comma. The result vector will be the same, so it will be this column once again, and then we'll end parenthesis and hit enter. And we'll reformat this, and you'll notice that it will display the last revenue amount of 120. Now let's say that we added more revenue. There was another sale of 567. You'll notice that that will automatically update to 567, or if we put 900 here, it'll update to 900. And if we remove those, it'll revert back to 120, which is the last revenue or the last sale here shown. Now this can also work in rows as well. If we were to take this data and transpose it, we can also pull the last sale in this row as well. We'll kind of do the same thing, 2 comma, and our lookup vector is going to be 1 divided by parenthesis, and this time we will select this entire row, greater than or less than, double quote, and parenthesis, comma, and then we'll select that row again and hit enter, yes, and that's going to display, as we format this quickly, the last number. And if we add, say, 800 here, it will then display 800. We remove that, it'll revert back to 120. So that formula will automatically update for us. But there you have it. That's how you can look up the last value in a column or a row and display it within Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button on your way out. Thank you, and just have such a great rest of your day.